Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to make some basic transitions using the new app called IVY. So let's get started. So first of all, open the app and create a project. Now import the medias and videos you need for the edit. Arrange your layers properly as you can see in this video. Now I am going to hide the second layer for not getting any confusions and click the first layer and click transform. So now we are going to make a basic zoom transition. So click the scale option and add 2 keyframes as you can see in this video. Make the second keyframe's value at 0. Okay, now don't forget to enable the mirror option, the third option, and don't forget to enable motion blur. Make it 100. Fine. Now go back to scale option and add graph. Make sure you are adding this graph. Now click the 3 dots and copy this graph. Okay, fine. Now unhide the second layer and click the second layer. Go to the transform option, click the scale option and add 2 keyframes. Come to the first keyframe and make it around 400 or 500. It's up to you, but I will recommend 400. And now come to the center, click graph button and paste the graph we already copied before. And don't forget to reverse the graph. And now enable the mirror option, the third option, and make sure motion blur is 100. And now here we got the result. As you can see, it's very smooth like butter, and also it's very similar to the alightmotion, so it's very easy to the beginner, alightmotion beginner, to learn this app. Now I am going to make a basic rotation transition with this app, so I am going to add another layer to this project. And now come to the second layer, click transform, go to the rotation option and add 2 keyframes. Make the second keyframe 90 degree or above. And now come to the graph section and paste the same graph we copied before. And now come to the third layer, click transform option, come to the rotation, add 2 keyframes and make the first keyframe minus 90 degree or above. And click the graph option and paste the same graph we copied before and make sure you make it reverse. Scroll down, enable the mirror option, the third option, and make sure motion blur is 100. And now here we got the result. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video, so please make sure you give a like. And now let's go and export this video. Click the export button, make it 1080p Full HD and make it 60 fps. Enable the remove watermark option and export the video. That's all. So thanks for watching. We can see you next time. Bye bye.